Hey guys, I'm Chris.
And I'm Kelvin.
And welcome back to another Arrusted Development. 2 guys, 2 minutes, talk rust.
Today's episode, we're going to be talking about poly.
That's right, poly. We're coming at you now. Let's get into it.
Now, the story of rust, and the 2 guys who talked about it in 2 minutes. It's Arrusted Development.
So welcome back. As we mentioned, we're going to be talking about...
Yeah. 1 second. These people have places to be, as you've said before, so let's put 2 minutes on the clock.
You're right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So, VCI Poly, well, what is it? I'm going to give you a quick crash course. So, VCI Poly is part VCI and part poly.
And stop here. If you don't know what VCI is, go back about 2 episodes and watch What the Hell is VCI? It's our first ever Arrusted Development episode, and I'm pretty proud of it.
Yeah, I think it's a good episode, and you'll learn a lot from it.
Absolutely. So check that out, and then start here.
Yes. So VCI prevents rust from happening on your metal parts in an enclosed area. The other aspect of this is the poly. So imagine with me that you're going to the beach and you have a sandwich, and you put the sandwich in a sandwich baggie so that sand and water aren't getting on your sandwich and making it all gross. Well, poly in our VCI Poly bags does the exact same thing. It just prevents outside contaminants from attacking your metal and potentially causing rust.
Right, and you don't want a rusty sandwich. It sounds like a drink, like a high-end cocktail.
Yeah, rusty
tumbleweed? So ARMOR VCI Poly Products are created in a lot of different shapes, sizes, and configurations. We have zip bags, flat bags, gusseted tubing, single wound sheeting. We have an outdoor film called C-film, and we have stretch film, which is the stuff that I was wrapped in at the beginning of this episode. These are all different products, but one commonality is that they all contain our VCI. When we produce these bags, what we do is we put our secret sauce in these bags, so that way when you put a metal part inside it and seal it up, it will protect it for a long time.
Oh yeah, and that's the best part, is not only are your metal parts being protected from rust, but it's done in a clean, safe, and easy way that's non-toxic to you, non-toxic to the environment, and almost all of the poly that we manufacture and sell is recyclable.
When you used to be shipping parts with oils or messy greases on it, now you can ship a clean, dry part that the second you open up this bag, it is ready to be put into use. Now, I would be crazy if I did not mention the fact that we have done our research, ladies and gentlemen. We have found the most common Gaylord sizes, bin sizes, box sizes that are used in the industry. We have done the math, done the homework, taken the work out of your workday, and created these sizes, and they're in stock, and they are ready to ship in 1 to 2 days.
Now, in the event that you might have a metal part that you think, wow, I don't know if I can protect this from rust, well, give us a call or visit our website at armorvci.com, because we're pretty sure that we can figure out a solution to prevent rust from happening on your metal part and protect it. This was Arrusted Development.
2 guys, 2 minutes, talk rust.
And today's episode was
Poly!
Awesome. See you guys.